She'll be the one that moves you, take you to the next destination that life's got in store for you. Change, she'll be the one that shapes you, so you better embrace her, or she'll make your life a living hell. Don't let negativity surround. She'll always trip you, fall flat on the ground. Don't let gossip dance on your tongue. She'll always be the saddest song you've ever sung. You know, take the stage and put on a good show. Slow down, catch your breath before you hit the cliff. Don't forget that every moment is a gift. Don't let negativity surround. She'll always trip you, fall flat on the ground. Don't let gossip dance on your tongue. She'll always be the saddest song you've ever sung.
Moo cows. So I don't know if you guys just enjoyed that little bit of a drive out through the countryside, heading out west and back again. But yeah, my old man, my father asked me if I could load up my equipment trailer and take a bunch of equipment out to Mudgee for him. So it was about 1,000 kilometers out and back, and I was like, yep, definitely anything to get off the property and an excuse to get outside and go for a big long drive. So it was pretty nice. So I thought you might enjoy it if I got the GoPro out and yeah, just cruising along. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See yous.